welcome back to our channel Commerce Shining. So guys, today we are going to tell you how to add references through the way of Mendeley in your Word file. So in this video we will start the topic from the basics. First of all, go to the Google and search about Mendeley desktop download. When you search on this, you can find the two things. First of all is download Mendeley reference, and second is Mendeley desktop. You have to download both. Okay, you can open it on another tab or open the references in this tab. Then when the Mendeley reference software is opening, you can download it now for your Windows. I have already installed, so I don't need this. And same here, you can now download it Mendeley desktop also. Now close the Windows and you have both the software here. Now open your Word file. Okay, let's start with a blank document. Okay, when you are opening your Word file and you are clicking on the reference, you see that there is no insert citations are there, no insert captions are there. So these are not applied. Okay, so now what you can do, go for the Mendeley desktop, click on the software. Here in this software there are many types like files, edit, view, tools, help. Here add, folder, sync, and all this thing. These are the paper list you are going to add in your Mendeley. So first of all, add a paper on it. Click on add. Go to the destination where you have the paper, like I have the paper this, and add this paper in your library of Mendeley. Now this paper is added. Okay, now next thing is go for the tools, click on tools, and you find install web importer, install MS Word plugin. As we are using Word file for our paper and we are using references in your Word file, so click on install MS Word. Okay, if your Word file is open, it will be stopped. So first of all, close your Word file. Okay, then again, okay, now click on the tools, install MS Word file plugin, and it will be installed. Okay, now minimize this file, open your Word file. For example, I have opened a Word file like this. Okay, see, here we have the Word file. Now I want to add references here, so click on the point where you want to add the references. Okay, then go for the reference, click on insert citation as they are showing Mendeley part. Now type the name of the paper, green banking. Okay, so you have all the papers. Click on that paper you want to add a reference and click. You can see again insert citation, go for the paper. Okay, review of adoption theories, click on the paper and add. Okay, and here you have your references. Okay, easy. So if you like this video, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. I hope you understand the topic very well. Now use it, enjoy it, and make your paper with adding good references through Mendeley. Thank you.